Welcome to the future of air purity. Imagine a world where every breath you take is filled with freshness and clarity, where the air you breathe is a true caress for your lungs. We are delighted to present to you the jewel of technology, the Rowenta Intense Pure Air Connect XL, a device that will revolutionize the way you live and breathe. Click the link in the description to learn more about its unique features, see the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours now. The Rowenta Intense Purifier is perfect for anyone looking to create a healthy and purified indoor environment. Whether you are sensitive to allergens, concerned about air quality, or simply in search of a fresher atmosphere, this product is designed to meet your needs. Say goodbye to the hassle of allergies and warmly welcome pure and revitalizing air with this silent and environmentally friendly air purifier. Imagine a home where every corner is infused with a healthy atmosphere, free from all allergens and fine particles that can affect the quality of the air you breathe. This is exactly what the Rowenta Intense Pure Air Connect XL offers, and much more. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and also see thousands of extremely satisfied customer reviews. This air purifier is not just a device, it is a true breath of fresh air for your daily life. With its 4 levels of filtration, it acts as a true superhero against the invisible enemies that pollute your air. First, the pre-filter captures hair and dust. Then, the activated carbon filter absorbs smoke and odors. Finally, the Allergy Plus filter eliminates allergens such as pollen, pet dander, dust mites, mold, bacteria, and viruses. And it doesn't stop there, as the NanoCapture filter permanently destroys the formidable formaldehyde. Imagine a technology so advanced that it not only eliminates impurities but annihilates them, destroying them permanently. It is the power of the patented and exclusive NanoCapture filter that makes this air purifier one of a kind. Gone is the simple trapping of pollutants. This allows for the total elimination and definitive destruction of formaldehyde, an extremely toxic indoor air pollutant. Don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the thousands of customer reviews showcasing its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. The Rowenta Intense Pure Air Connect XL isn't just a powerful guardian of air purity, it is also a connected companion. Thanks to its Pure Air app, in partnership with Plume Labs, you can monitor and control air quality in real time wherever you are. Receive personalized advice to breathe healthier air and adjust the device settings remotely via your smartphone. With its intuitive touch panel, programmable timer, and delayed start function, using this purifier becomes a true pleasure. And with a noise level of only 22 decibels in silent mode, it is twice as quiet as most whispers, ensuring effective filtration without disturbing your peace. Imagine the luxury of being able to permanently eliminate formaldehyde. It can purify the air in just 10 minutes for a room of 25 square meters. And of course, this air purifier can extend its influence well beyond that, up to 140 square meters, although it takes a bit longer to purify the air in a larger space, obviously. And the best part, and that this Rowenta air purifier is available at the best price by clicking on the link in the description. You will also find thousands of customer reviews to help you make your decision. Let's now recap the advantages as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1. Complete filtration. The 4 levels of filtration, from the pre-filter to the NanoCaptures, ensure complete air purification, eliminating allergens, fine particles, and formaldehyde. Advantage number 2. Smart connectivity. The Pure Air app offers real-time monitoring of air quality, personalized advice, and the ability to control the device remotely via your smartphone. Advantage number 3. Quiet and efficient. With only 22 decibels in silent mode, it ensures discreet filtration without compromising efficiency. Perfect for a peaceful environment. Advantage number 4. Destruction of formaldehyde. The NanoCapture filter permanently destroys formaldehyde, a unique advantage that goes beyond simple filtration. Advantage number 5. Modern design. Its modern aesthetic and adjustable 3D grille blend seamlessly with any interior. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1. Bulkiness. With its dimensions and a weight of 7 kg, it can take up considerable space. Disadvantage number 2. Need for connectivity. To fully take advantage of the connected features, a smartphone connection is required, which may not be suitable for all users. So, if you aspire to a healthier life, to a home filled with purity and tranquility, Don't miss the opportunity to own this Rowenta Intense Pure Air Connect XL air purifier. Click the link in the description now to discover the best price. Learn more and check out the thousands of customer reviews who have already adopted this technological gem. The revolution of clean air starts here. Thank you for your attention and see you very soon.